Lesson: Performance improvement and metrics. Performance improvement and metrics are pivotal elements in the field of business analysis, particularly in the area of business analysis planning and monitoring. Business analysts are tasked with the continuous enhancement of processes, systems, and practices to meet organizational goals and deliver value. By leveraging performance improvement strategies and metrics, BAs can effectively monitor progress, identify areas of inefficiency, and implement solutions that drive business success. Performance improvement is a structured approach to analyzing and enhancing the effectiveness and efficiency of business processes. It is not just about making things faster or cheaper, it is about aligning processes with business objectives, enhancing quality, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Metrics, on the other hand, are quantifiable measures used to track and assess the status of a specific business process. Together, performance improvement and metrics form the backbone of continuous improvement strategies within organizations. One practical tool for performance improvement is the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle, a four-step iterative method used for the control and continuous improvement of processes and products. Initially developed by Dr. W. Edwards Deming, the PDCA cycle helps BAs systematically test hypotheses, analyze results, and implement changes. The plan phase involves identifying an opportunity and planning for change. In the do phase, the change is implemented on a small scale. The check phase involves reviewing the test, analyzing the results, and identifying what has been learned. Finally, the act phase involves taking action based on what was learned in the check step. This might mean implementing the change on a larger scale if it was successful, or refining it for further testing. For example, a BA working in a retail company might use the PDCA cycle to enhance the checkout process. In the planning stage, they might identify long wait times as an issue. During the do phase, they could implement a new queuing system in one store. After observing the results in the check phase, they might find a significant reduction in wait times. The act phase would then involve rolling out this new system across all stores if the results are favorable. Another effective framework is Lean Six Sigma, which combines lean manufacturing principles and Six Sigma quality control. Lean focuses on reducing waste and improving flow in processes, while Six Sigma aims at reducing variation and improving quality. This combination allows BAs to address both the efficiency and effectiveness of business processes. Lean Six Sigma uses a structured methodology called DMAG, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This approach provides a clear framework for problem-solving and process improvement. For instance, a BA in a manufacturing company might use the DMAG process to reduce defects in the production line. In the Define phase, they would identify the problem and set objectives. In the Measure phase, they would collect data to understand current performance. During the Analyze phase, they would identify root causes of defects. The Improve phase would involve implementing solutions to address these causes. Finally, the Control phase would ensure that the improvements are sustained over time. Measuring performance is equally crucial and involves selecting the right metrics that align with business objectives. Key performance indicators are commonly used metrics in this regard. KPIs are specific, quantifiable measurements that reflect the critical success factors of an organization. They help in understanding if the business is on track to meet its goals. For example, a BA in a customer service department might use KPIs such as average resolution time, customer satisfaction score, and first contact resolution rate to assess performance. To implement KPIs effectively, BAs should ensure they are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A KPI such as reduce customer complaint resolution time by 20% within 6 months meets these criteria. This specificity helps in maintaining focus and provides a clear target for performance improvement initiatives. Additionally, the Balanced Scorecard is a strategic management tool that can be used to monitor and improve performance. Developed by Robert Kaplan and David Norton, the Balanced Scorecard provides a comprehensive view of organizational performance by incorporating financial and non-financial metrics across 4 perspectives: financial, customer, internal business processes, and learning and growth. This approach ensures that improvement efforts are aligned with the overall strategy and objectives of the organization. For example, a BA in a tech company might use a balanced scorecard to track metrics such as revenue growth, customer retention rate, process efficiency, and employee training hours. This holistic view allows them to identify interdependencies between different areas and prioritize initiatives that create the most value. Real-world challenges often arise in the form of resistance to change, lack of stakeholder engagement, and inadequate data for analysis. To overcome these challenges, BAs should focus on effective communication, stakeholder involvement, and data-driven decision-making. Engaging stakeholders from the onset ensures buy-in and reduces resistance. Utilizing data analytics tools and techniques can provide deeper insights into performance issues and support the development of targeted improvement strategies. For instance, a BA might face resistance when implementing a new software system. To address this, they could organize workshops and training sessions to demonstrate the benefits and ease of use of the new system. By involving users in the design and testing phases, they can gather feedback and make necessary adjustments, thereby increasing acceptance and satisfaction. Data analytics plays a pivotal role in performance improvement by enabling BAs to collect, analyze, and visualize data to inform decision-making. Tools such as Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, and Google Analytics offer capabilities to create dashboards and reports that provide real-time insights into performance metrics. These tools help BAs identify trends, patterns, and anomalies that might not be visible otherwise, enabling them to make informed decisions and implement timely interventions. For example, a BA using Power BI might develop a dashboard to monitor sales performance across different regions. By visualizing the data, they can quickly identify underperforming areas and investigate the underlying causes, such as supply chain issues or ineffective marketing strategies. This proactive approach allows for swift corrective actions and improved overall performance. In conclusion, performance improvement and metrics are essential in the realm of business analysis, providing the means to enhance processes, achieve business goals, and deliver value. By employing tools and frameworks such as the PDCA cycle, Lean Six Sigma, KPIs, and the balanced scorecard, BAs can systematically approach performance challenges and implement effective solutions. Engaging stakeholders, leveraging data analytics, and focusing on continuous learning are key strategies for overcoming obstacles and driving sustainable improvements. As BAs continue to adapt and refine these methodologies, they will be better equipped to meet the evolving demands of the business environment and contribute to the long-term success of their organizations.